You have kinky, pankun, jollof rice, or anything that you want to pair your fried fish with. Then this video is for you. I'm here to share with you how to fry fish, and trust me, you will fall in love with it. If today is the first time here, hello, welcome to my kitchen. I share easy recipe. Lena is the name. Without wasting much of your time, I will just go ahead and share with you what we have today. So I have my fish here. I'm just going to clean it very well, and then we can proceed. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for your time. I don't take it for granted. Thank you for always spending some time with me and sharing my videos, watching them as well. If you are new here, please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. Thank you so much. Now I will go ahead and divide each fish into three. Okay, they don't have head. Okay, yes, I'm just going to cut them into three equal parts, and then we can proceed. That is actually croaker fish. Okay, it tastes very very good. Yes, so if you have not tried that before, you can try it, and trust me, you will love it. I went behind camera and I am done cutting everything, and this is the quantity we have. I'm just going to clean the fish with my lemon juice. You can as well buy the store one that is already squeezed. Okay, I mean the lemon juice, and that also works perfectly. With the lemon juice, it helps the fish to remove that fishy smell from the fish, and trust me, it is very helpful. So use that. You can as well use your salt or salt water to wash it very well. You can as well use your vinegar, and it is perfect. Okay, but with the lemon, that is the cheapest way to clean your fish. I cleaned the fish first, second time, and then now this is the third time I am washing it. Okay, I'll go ahead and then wash it very well, and then when I am done, we will proceed. Now I am done washing my fish. Okay, so I am just going to add some water to it and then rewash it again. That is what I'm doing. I just want to ensure that it is well washed. So in all, I washed it like 4-5 times, and as you can see, it looks very clean. If you've watched me till this point, it means you like what you are watching. I'll be very grateful if you like the video, you share to others, and then you leave me your comments in the comment section. The light was not stable, and I'm so sorry about that. Now we are done washing everything. Just look at that, very clean. And the fish is in the salt water. We are just going to leave that for about 10 minutes, and then we can fry the fish. After 10 minutes, I strain the water from it, and this is what we have in the strainer. And just look at that, very clean, because it was well washed. Okay, wash the fish well. Now I have my all-purpose flour here. I'm going to coat the fish and then start frying. I fried some fish earlier, and I am using the same oil. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and drop the fish after I coat them, and then we are good to go. On all social media platforms, the name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. I'll be very happy if you follow us for more videos. If you want short videos, follow us on all social media platforms, including YouTube Shorts, and you will love the recipes. The videos are less than a minute and a minute duration, which they are very detailed. Okay, so follow us. We are still dropping the fish in there, and the fire is not very high. Okay, it's on a medium heat. Now I will get back to you very soon, and then we check on the fish. Now we are back. I'll go ahead and then check on the fish, turn it or flip it so that the other side can also fry very well. Even though this is a deep frying, so all the body is in in the oil already. Yes, but you still have to check on it, flip it, and then check on it very well so that you can get that perfect fried fish you are looking for. Now I checked on it again, and just look at that. Absolutely good. With this particular fish, it is not very difficult to fry. Okay, it does not stick to the pan easily like that. So try it, and then it tastes good as well. Try it, and then you will fall in love with it. After some few minutes, this is where we've gotten to. Just look at the fish. Absolutely delicious. And at this moment, I feel like eating kinky. If you can hear the background, you can hear that something is boiling. Oh my goodness, my kinky is on fire. I'm just going to enjoy this with kinky, yes, and with some pepper as well. Thank you so much for watching from the beginning till now. I am so grateful. Our fish is ready. We will remove it from the oil, and then I will just open some for you to see how the inside looks. It looks so delicious. With a croaker fish, you have to take your time. I mean, the fire shouldn't be very high, okay? Yes, because it has that thicker skin, and if you don't take time to fry it on a lower heat or a medium heat, the inside may not cook well. Yes, the inside may not cook well. So that is why I took my time to fry this, and it looks so inviting, very delicious. Now my strainer and paper towel are ready. I'm just going to remove the fish, allow it to rest in the colander on the paper towel so that it will strain, the oil can strain. Just look at that. Absolutely good. Thank you so much for watching till this point. I will see you in the next one. You can't afford to miss it. Bye.